In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the profile views feature on TikTok. So I'm going to open up TikTok, and as you know, this profile views is a recent feature from within TikTok. So to turn it off, it's very straightforward and simple. Just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. From here, we want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right-hand corner, and then settings and privacy. From here, we want to tap on the second option, which says privacy. And then from here, we just want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll see the option. It says profile views. If I tap on that, it says profile view history. See who viewed your profile in the last 30 days. So to turn off this feature, just make sure that you toggle it down so it turns gray, just like that. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.